Hey, how you doing? This particular image here, if you've looked at any of my videos, you've probably seen it before. This is from, let me see, February 2nd of 2020. Now I kind of, um, contrasted this image a little bit so you can see what's going on. But what I wanted to point out is this, what I believe to be the vortex generator here. This is the same object on the top and the bottom. This is what I believe anyway. And this is the vortex generator here on the top. This is some kind of metamaterial, like a memory metal, I believe that this is made out of. Okay, and it's capable of expanding and contracting, much like this object in this video that I want to show you here, which is incredible, if you ask me. I mean, what in the world is that? What are we looking at here? I don't know what this is or exactly how it works. All I can do is speculate. And just like in some of my other images from the past, or my other videos that I've shown you, there are these straight lines here that I believe are actually circular, but we're looking at it from the edge, so it looks straight across. And here's another one here, and I believe these are counter-rotating magnetic fields around this spindle right here. And I believe this is a vortex or a torsion field generator. Now what this is made out of is the key to how and what this thing does, I believe. This metal or this material that this is made out of is reacting to these magnetic fields. So somebody knows what this is from somewhere. I'm not saying it's from here. I think this is probably some kind of foreign technology. And like I said, when I say that, I don't mean some other country. Now, this is a screen grab from the video that I rotated a little bit just to have a different a look at it. Right here again, I believe, is the vortex generator. These right here are different layers of material, and this is the energy that's being produced and looking like a light in the sky as it goes by. Let me highlight this here a little bit and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See down here on the bottom, this looks like a castle wall right here, kind of up and down right here. And there's another one right here. These right here may very well be, for the lack of a better term, electrical contacts. And this right here is a spark being produced by this vortex generator or torsion field generator. Again, it's all speculation, but this thing has to work somehow. Let me show you a video of this thing here. Now I moved the camera one time here, trying to get it back in center here. But as you can see, it's not moving very fast. From the left to the right, it's going, okay? And I'll show you a slow motion version of this here in a minute, close up. And you can see this thing is just going from one shape to another. It's partly lighting up. It's completely lighting up. I mean, it is beyond anything I've ever particularly seen before. Now, I mean, try and remember this object here is the same one that you were looking at in the beginning with all those ridges around it. This is the same object. So this is not a wingtip light on an airplane, or this whole thing would be lit up. See this light core right here? Looks like a cluster of LEDs in there. These 90-degree angles. This is not lens flare or artifact in the, I want to say film because I'm old school, but, I mean, what in the world is this thing? Right there you can see that object that I showed you at the beginning. It is completely changing shape every time. I mean, every second almost, it's changing into a different shape. Here's that screen grab rotated the original way, and you can see those what I believe to be counter-rotating magnetic rings on there basically. And here you can see the same thing again from a different angle. There they are right there. And here's where I believe the majority of the light may be coming out, unless it's right here. But you can see these square angles right here. This is not a freaking airplane, okay? I mean, what in the world is this thing? Now this photograph here is another photograph of that one that I showed you at the beginning. It's the same object. It's taken for 1 second at 357 millimeters. And I believe it's an object very similar to the one that's in this video. You see this right here? This is rotated right here. This is the same object, okay? And it's just moved from here to here. But it's rotating at the same time. And you can see these square angles right here. Could be the vortex generator. And here's that round hole there with the square ones on the top or the bottom. I mean, this is clearly an object that's being, changing colors here in this particular photograph due to the magnetic frequencies. They're being pulsed through the material itself, I think. Here again, you can see those 90-degree angles on this thing as it's rotated. There's that light spot. You can see the differing materials on the outside of it, and they get smaller here toward the back. This is a round object of some kind. And it's, like I said, I don't think it's a light on an airplane, that's for sure. You can see the metal or the material changing shape. It almost looks like it's melted there. But I mean, it's in process of changing its configuration. It's incredible. It's got an outside, shell that opens and closes on it. So, like I said, somebody knows what this thing is somewhere. Somebody's made this thing. And they know exactly how it works. I don't. All I can do is guess. But let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I hope you share this video with somebody. And be sure and take care out there no matter what you're doing. And thanks again. Appreciate it.